Hello guys, I have made video for you. This is the educational video as a part of anatomy and physiology. If you like my video then please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you. Hello guys, I Shraddha Gajjar and today I am going to explain you as well as this is the video regarding the most important questions related to the endocrine system. The first question is, which of these is true of the endocrine system? First, it secretes the hormones that are transported to target cells by the blood. Second, causes change in the metabolic activities. Third, that effects are prolonged. And last one, that is all of above are true. So which is the true? The correct answer is D. That is the all of above are true. So these three sentences are true. Now third question is, what gland is located just superior to the kidneys? First one is pituitary gland, second option adrenal gland, third option pancreas gland, and last ovaries. The correct answer is B, that is adrenal gland, or we can say suprarenal gland. The fourth question is, in the pancreas, which are the cells that secrete the insulin, decrease the blood levels of the glucose? First option is delta, second is alpha cell, third is beta cell, and last one is a theta cell. The correct answer is C, that is the beta cell. Beta cell produce or secrete the insulin. Now, the fifth question is, the endocrine gland responsible for the body's circadian rhythm is, the option is thymus gland, pineal gland, parathyroid gland, and pituitary gland. The correct answer is B, that is the pineal gland. Okay, which secrete the melatonin and it is very responsible for the body's circadian rhythm. Now, sixth question is, endocrine glands differ from exocrine glands in that first option is endocrine glands are ductless and exocrine glands release secretion at the body's surface or into the duct. Second option, endocrine glands release hormone whereas endocrine glands release waste. C, endocrine glands are formed by epithelial tissue but exocrine glands are primarily connective tissue. Last or D, endocrine glands are all interconnected whereas exocrine glands act completely independently. The correct answer is E. That is, endocrine glands are ductless and exocrine glands release their secretion at the surface or into the duct. Seventh question, which of these is not an endocrine property? First, A, hormone reach targets through the blood. B, effects are slow and cyclic. C, rapid acting effects. D, effects caused by the chemicals. The correct answer is C, that is the rapid acting effect. 8. The primary target of the releasing and inhibiting hormones of the hypothalamus is, first option A, liver and adipose tissue, B, gonads, C, anterior pituitary, D, bone marrow. The correct answer is C, that is the anterior pituitary. Okay, below the hypothalamus there is the pituitary gland. Now question 9, which of these is not an endocrine gland? Okay, not an endocrine gland. First option pancreas, B, testis, C, salivary gland, and D, parathyroid gland. The correct answer is C, salivary gland. Now the question 10, which is not a function of the hypothalamus? Option A, affect the heart rate, control temperature, C, affect water balance, and D, secrete FSH. The correct answer is D, secrete FSH. Now, 11th question. Which if the following glands which can be classified as an endocrine and exocrine gland, or we can say mixed gland. The option is first A, thyroid gland, B, thymus gland, C, pancreas, D, pituitary. The correct answer is C, that is the pancreas. Now the question is 12. Which of these hormone is made by the posterior pituitary? First option A, follicle stimulating hormone FSH, B, LH, luteinizing hormone, C, ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, D, antidiuretic hormone or ADH. The correct answer is D, ADH. Okay, antidiuretic hormone. Now, the question number 13. Which gland controls basal metabolic rate, or we can say BMR? First option A, thyroid gland, B, parathyroid gland, C, testes, and D, pancreas. The correct answer is A, thyroid gland. Now, the question 14. How do hormones from the thyroid and parathyroid regulate the calcium concentration of the blood? The option is A, calcitonin lowers the blood calcium and parathyroid hormone raises the blood calcium. B, parathyroid hormone lowers the blood calcium, calcitonin raises the blood calcium. C, thyroxine and triiodothyronine together regulate calcium levels as needs dictate. D, both parathyroid hormone and the three thyroid hormones function to regulate blood calcium levels. The correct answer is A, that is the calcitonin lowers the blood calcium and parathyroid hormone raises the blood calcium. Now, the question number 15. The posterior pituitary stores and release option A, growth hormone and prolactin, B, prolactin and oxytocin, C, oxytocin and ADH or antidiuretic hormone, D, ADH and growth hormone. The correct answer is C, oxytocin and ADH. Now, the question number 16. Which of the following hormones are responsible for the fight or flight response? The option is A, epinephrine and norepinephrine, B, insulin and glucagon, C, estrogen and progesterone, D, thyroxine and melatonin. The correct answer is A, epinephrine and norepinephrine. Now, the question number 17. The pituitary hormone that stimulates the male testes to produce sperm and stimulate the development of the follicles in the females on a monthly cycle is, the option is a growth hormone, B, luteinizing hormone, C, prolactin, D, follicle stimulating hormone. The correct answer is B, luteinizing hormone. Okay. Now, the question number 18. Which hormones of the adrenal glands supplement the sex hormones from the gonads? The option is A, mineralocorticoids such as an aldosterone, B, glucocorticoids such as cortisol, C, gonadocorticoids such as androgens, D, epinephrine and norepinephrine. The correct answer is C, gonadocorticoids such as androgens. Now, the question number 19. The cluster of the cells in the pancreas that produce hormones are the option A, nodules, B, islets of Langerhans, C, pancreatic medulla, D. Pancreatic cortex. The correct answer is B. Islets of Langerhans. Now, question number 20. The glucagon is, the option is A. Accelerate the conversion of glycogen into glucose. B. Slow down glucose formation from lactic acid. C. Decrease the conversion of glycogen into glucose. D. Speed up protein synthesis within the cell. The correct answer is E. Accelerate the conversion of the glycogen to glucose. Now, the question number 21. Most hormones of the endocrine system are regulated by a. The option is A. Negative feedback mechanism. B. Positive feedback mechanism. C. Hormone receptor complex. D. Hormone gene complex. The correct answer is A. Negative feedback mechanism. Now, the question number 22. Calcitonin is a hormone of which of following? The option is A. Adrenal cortex. B. Thyroid gland. C. Pituitary gland. D. Thymus gland. And E. None of above. The correct answer is B. Thyroid gland. Now, question number 23. Calcium level in the blood is regulated by the option is A. Thyroid gland. B. Parathyroid gland. C. Posterior pituitary. D. Adrenal medulla. And option E. A and B. The correct one is E. A and B. Thyroid and parathyroid gland. Now, the question number 24. All of the following are hormones of the anterior pituitary except the option is A. Human growth hormone. B. Follicle stimulating hormone. C. Parathyroid hormone. D. Thyroid stimulating hormone. The correct answer is C. Parathyroid hormone. Now, the last and 25th question. The secretion from which of these gland differs between male and female? The option is A. Adrenal gland. B. Parathyroid gland. C. Gonadal gland. D. Pancreas. The option is, correct one is C. Gonadal. Okay. So this is all about the important question related to the endocrine system. Now if you have any query, you can ask me and comment me. Thank you.